just a real quick tip. As you can see, I'm at a complete mess in my microwave. Spaghetti bolognese, just heating it up. As you know, didn't cover it, being lazy. So a quick way to clean the microwave without doing all squirting and flash and sift and jiff, and I just cutting up a lemon here. So, and I'm just going to squeeze the lemon, drop it all in, squeeze, squeeze, and add water. And this is basically, the lemon obviously is an antibacterial and an odour, so that will take the odours out. I'm putting this all into the microwave, and I'm going to put it on a good 5-6 minutes. We're going to try to boil this water. Actually, do you know what? Just for the show, I'll put less water because it won't take as long. So, just a little bit of water and lemons. Put it in here. As you can see, this is like, it gets hard. So this is going to moisten all this. So I try to go over this with a cloth, it'll come off. So we just put it full whack there, just let it heat away. And what I use then is the good old microfiber cloths. So I'm actually going to just slightly dampen one and keep one dry. So I'll leave the dry one there. And you even know if it's a proper microfiber, because when you go to wet it, the water will run off it. So this is damp. If I wring this, not a drop will come out of it. Just a damp cloth. One for drying after. This is, I'm going to have to leave this. The bigger the stains, leave it for maybe anything up to 5 minutes. If you start hearing a pop burped, that's the lemon overheating. So our aim is to boil the water as if you're boiling it in a kettle, but it's doing it slowly. It's causing then, when the water is boiling, evaporation. This is going to clean with the lemon, which is an antibacterial, and it'll take the odour. But for anything, like when you spray a counter, you should let things dwell. So when you spray your cooker, you spray your counters in the evening, you wipe over them, you're not really letting the antibacterial quantities that are in that chemical you're using or whatever activate enough with the counter. So it takes at least 5 minutes in contact with your sprays, with your surface, for the antibacterial chemical that's in them to kick in. And it's the same with the natural. Okay guys, I can smell this. It is amazing. As you can see, the water is boiling, bubbling away. So I'm going to remove the bowl. The smell of it is gorgeous. I'm going to save that actually because I can use that. I will pour that into a spray container and I'll use it for cleaning around the house with vinegar. So we have our damp cloth. So I'll start with the door. So I give solid wipes from right to left. A lot of people go, I just think you're spreading the dirt. One direction only. And this is the first wiping, as you can see. It's clearly, like literally coming off. So it's softened all the food. And I'm going to give this a quick wipe. Oh, do you want to have a look at the roof? And that's the part that you'll always forget about. But we'll start down here. So I'm just going to wipe the cloth. As you can see, it's just coming off because the food is all soft. With the moisture and the lemon. Also the lemon will freshen the microwave. And make sure you do the top. That's where most of the spatters go. So it has made all the food, everything that was clumped on, gooky, completely softened. You have a nice lemon, fresh smell. Now I'm just going to rinse this damp cloth so I can wipe once more. The microwave and the lemon and the water has done the work. So basically this cloth just needs to be damp. So I'm just going over it once more. And as you can see, that's collecting whatever I missed the first time. Glass around here and definitely the blue at the moment. No chemicals, no spray, no Mr. Muscle, no flash that is going to smell your microwave and put a taste off all your food. Now, this is just showing you a quick wipe, but I would recommend this once a week, and just for bacteria and stuff, it just takes it all away. If you want to do a quick little glance in there. So that was the damp cloth, no excess water, no water that you have to take out of it, no chemical smell, just a nice fresh. And this is my dry microfiber cloth. And with this then, I rub freely all over. So this will absorb any water that I've missed, which is none because I didn't really use that much water. And again, I will do the same in here. It will attach, even if there's a little speck of dirt that you couldn't get out, it will cling to this cloth. Now, and that's that done. This is the plate. You can pop this in the microwave, or again, the damp cloth will actually take off everything that's on it because of the lemon. If not, you can always take a piece of lemon, wipe it around. So this will kill all the bacteria, and as you can see, it's spotless, even though it was a red mess earlier on. So I'm putting this back in my plate. That took no time at all, plus my kitchen smells lovely. And I am just going to dip my cloth into the lemon water and do the outside of the microwave, because this is an antibacterial, so it will kill any germs. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe, especially the knob, because this is the one you're always going to be using. Then I'll go back with my dry cloth. I store my eggs and my bread up here, so. But other than that, there it is. As you can see, the microcloth will take out any kind of wet marks that are on it, any smears. It just clears that right up. And hey presto, microwave done. Oh, most of it. Perfection, I think. Once a week, bit of lemon in water. You will never have to use hard chemicals or scrub and all these abrasive sponges. Microcloth, water and lemon. See you later. Bye guys. Thanks a million for tuning in.